Hi, this is Kalpana Tarpade here again. Today I'll be showing another patadabu dish. It's called Sanjeevya. It's a filling of rava, a sweet rava and maida coated. I'll give you the ingredients now for this. I've taken two, it's a very easy measurement to remember. I've taken 2 cups of maida. I've kneaded it like you do for any other roti. I've added 1 tablespoon ghee and a pinch of salt. And I've kneaded this and kept. Then I've taken 2 cups of rava. Then sugar, even you can take 2 cups, but it gets very sweet. So I take 1.5 cup I've taken of this sugar. Then 2 cups of water. So it's just 2. All 4 ingredients 2. Sugar I have taken less. Then cardamom powder I have taken and a little kesher. Now I have kept this 2 cups of water to boil. I will add 1 tablespoon ghee in this. And I will add this 1.5 cup of sugar. I will melt this sugar in this. Now the water kept it to boil, so it will take 2 minutes for this sugar to melt. Then I will add this rava in this, simmer the flame and cook it for some time. I put this cardamom powder. I will add the cardamom powder in this. And this is optional, kesher if you want. Pinch of kesher, the color. See, the sugar is melting. Now, I've added ghee, right? Add a little of ghee in the ghee. The sugar is melted. Now I will add the suji in this. I had cooked this rava for say 2 or 3 minutes. It's cooked now. I have made 12 portions of this maida, and I will get this out and make 12 portions of this and regular stuffing everything. Now I have made 12 portions of the maida atta I have shown you, dough. Then 12 portions I made of the suji, rava, and I've sat and filled all that together so that is less time. Now see, I've filled all this. Now I'll show you how I've done this. I've just taken this atta. This is maida here. This is the suji I've taken. Just like you do filling for everything. So you don't get edges, maida edges. You will get the filling right up to the edge. So I have prepared all this and kept so that this becomes easy for me. This is the last. Every time when you're preparing this, see that you cover this, the rava mixture filling, the maida should be covered, and also the filled this roti is also covered, so that they don't dry. If they dry, the filling dries, then it will be difficult for you to roll it. So it should be soft. Now I will just roll this one and show you. Now I've put on the tawa. See, because the maida it is easy to roll. This is ghee, homemade ghee. You can use any ghee also. Both the sides. A similar way I will be preparing all the 12 sanjeevis. So now you remember the measurement very easy, and you get exact 12 balls, so there's no tension. If you want more, then you have take extra cups. I always go in for small, for we are just 3 of us, so 12 rotis are enough for us. And this is how it will look. Okay, it's nearly done now. You have to keep it pretty longer. That's it. I hope you enjoy these sanjeevis. Bye.